to religious concepts. Participation in sacrificial ceremonies. In the complete general sacrificial communities, as well as in the mixed genealogical territorial ones, there was a natural solidarity. Once it had been decided that a ceremony would take place, it was fitting that everybody who belonged to the community should participate. Any disinclination to do so, any disinclination to do so not be tolerated. Would not be tolerated, an attitude expressed in the following saying, Hata mamujung hata lalayan, hata natorop sabungan hata. The word of one man is the word of a fool, the words of many are deciding words. The obstinate one was expelled, the Pabali, the Dipaduru, put outside, and had to have the right of the spirits. Deep-seated disputes with other members did not absolve one from participating any more than the planners of the ceremony could pass over a member who had a private quarrel with one of them. They would be punished as being those who took apart the kinship ties and separated the crowds of here belonging together, si Serang Pagtubu, si Padao Pusoran, and would be obliged to set a meal before the person whom they had thus offended. The conflicts which arose for the first Christians when they abstained from participation necessitated the beyond of part of the Batak mission no mention, gathering them together in a separate village. But because Christianity was spreading so rapidly, this only happened once. Later on, the government and the mission forbade all playing on the gondang and also Bius feast. During a gondang or Bius ceremony, no debts could be collected, and in the Pidari times, no one could be feted or put in the block, and no disturbance or quarrels were permitted. A festival feast was held for all the participants and spectators. Only murderers, abductors, and other dangerous criminals were not protected by this peace, and they were not allowed to participate in the feast. They were di balian ni Patik, di balian ni Horja, outside the protection which the law gave to people at the ceremony. So much for the public veneration of the gods and spirits. The Batak ideas about the nature and personality of men are related to it.